Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage elder care with Amedisys, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing the needs of your elderly loved one. Consider their physical, emotional, and social requirements. Evaluate any medical conditions or special needs they may have. Engage in open conversations with them about their preferences. Research available elder care services in your area. Look into in-home care, assisted living, or hospice options. Gather information on Amedisys and its services. Visit the Amedisys website to understand the resources offered. Contact Amedisys to discuss your specific needs. Schedule an initial consultation with a care manager. Prepare any medical records or relevant information for the meeting. During the consultation, outline your loved one's care needs clearly. Discuss the types of services Amedisys provides. Inquire about personalized care plans tailored to your loved one. Ask about the qualifications and training of the caregivers. Review the pricing and payment options available. Once you've chosen Amedisys, set a start date for services. Ensure your loved one is comfortable with the caregivers assigned. Establish regular communication with the care team. Set up periodic check-ins to discuss progress and any concerns. Encourage your loved one to share their feelings about the care they are receiving. Revisit the care plan regularly to make necessary adjustments. Involve family members in the care management process. Educate yourself about elder care resources and support groups. Stay informed about local legislation affecting elder care. Keep an open mind and be flexible as care needs change over time. Always advocate for your loved one's best interests. Utilize the resources offered by Amedisys to enhance the quality of care. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.